Cecil County in northeast Maryland, Kent County in northeast Maryland, Queen Anne's County in northeast Maryland, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, until 2 o'clock a.m. Thursday at 6:06 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated two areas of moderate rain heading toward the upper eastern shore of Maryland. One area was moving northeast from near Baltimore, and the other was heading northeast from near Washington. Given the already wet conditions from rain earlier today, any additional rain will run off into small streams. In addition, rainfall rates could produce spawning of water in urban areas. An aerial flood warning for urban areas and small streams has therefore been issued. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. This is a statement from the National...
Wow.